Good morning, everybody. We are in math. It is April 28th, so it is day 2. Our opening is for us to read our learning target. Our mini lesson is to review the slides from yesterday, and our work period is to watch this video, follow along with my slides, and for our closing, you guys are going to answer 3 questions today. So our learning target says I can recognize opposite signs of numbers as indicating locations on opposite sides of 0 on a number line. For your mini lesson, I want you to go to the slides from yesterday labeled April 27th and go through those slides. You guys need to, get your brains working on what we were working on yesterday, okay? Sometimes we all forget. Let's re-energize ourselves and memorize what we were working on yesterday, which was changing fractions into decimals. And if a decimal is repeating, then we use our bar notation. So now you guys are watching my YouTube video, and we're going to, and I'll have the slides posted up here, but we're going to go here so I can write on it. And you guys are going to watch. So same thing we did yesterday. We're just reviewing. We've got 4 over 9. We talked about this yesterday. 4 over 9 really means what? It means 4 divided by 9. So let's write this out correctly. It really means 4, and then we'll insert our this divided by, and paste. There we go. It really means 4 divided by 9. So 4 over 9, the fraction, means 4 divided by 9. Now let's use our calculators to find what 4 divided by 9 looks like, okay? 4 divided by 9 equals, 0.444444444, right? That's what we get. So if we get, and we'll write it here, 0.444444444, and we will make this bigger. If we got this, but we don't want to write it this way because there's just too many 4s, right? That's far too much to have to write. How would we write it? Well, we would write it 0.4, and then we would add something. Well, what are we going to add? We're going to add our bar notation over the number 4, okay? That way, we no longer have to use all of this. We just have this. Okay, so a lot of you guys did really well on our homework yesterday, or on our closing yesterday, which was to submit a quiz. And you guys knew that if it repeats itself, the number that repeats itself has to have a bar on top. So you guys did really good with that. Now let's try one that you might get a different answer for. 1 over 12. Well, we know that 1 over 12 really means 1 divided by 12. So let's use our calculators and let's figure out what that is. 1 divided by 12 equals 0.0833333333. Okay, so how are we going to write this? Well, let's write out the number first. We've got 0. Let's see what it was again. 0.08 and then a bunch of 3's afterwards. Okay, so how are we going to write this? Well, if we know that this number is repeating itself over and over and over again, that means that the 3 has a bar over it, okay? The 8 does not, because the 8 is not repeating itself. So our answer is going to be 0.083 and we're going to stick the bar right over the 3. Okay, so that would be what your answer would sort of look like. Now, let's try one that doesn't repeat itself. So 2 over 5. Well, we know that 2 over 5 really means, if we want to put it into decimal form, it means 2 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 5 equals 0.4. So if you have something like this and it's just 0.4, there's nothing that repeats itself. So the answer is just 0.4. Okay? You don't have to put a bar notation or anything. It's just 0.4. You don't put a bar because there's no number that repeats itself. This is just the answer. Okay? You only use the bar if the number is repeating itself, like in these. Okay? Now, when you guys are finished today, I want you guys to click activities, click quiz, and you're going to take the April 28th repeating decimals day 2 quiz. It's 3 questions to see your skills. So give it a go.